Venezuela is facing floods and landslides as the El Pato River, 67 kilometers southwest of Caracas, flooded and destroyed several houses, shops and a slaughterhouse, search and rescue officials said. Carlos Perez, deputy minister of the country's civil protection system, said thousands of rescuers are looking for victims in the area. At the site of a mudflow in the Venezuelan state of Aragua, rescue teams found the bodies of 43 people, RIA Novosti reports. The number of discovered victims has reached 43 people. The work does not stop, Vice President Delcy Rodriguez said on VTV. Earlier, the country's authorities reported 39 dead. On Sunday, floods of water and soil from the mountains hit the Las Tejerias area in Aragua, destroying and flooding some of the houses. Rivers and streams overflowed their banks. More than 1,000 rescuers and soldiers, car convoys with food, were sent to the disaster zone. Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro ordered the allocation of cash assistance to flood-affected citizens and entrepreneurs who have lost their businesses. It should be noted that heavy rains in the north of Venezuela were caused by Hurricane Julia passing through the Caribbean Sea.